Hi coders, today we are going to solve a problem in which we are supposed to find the first and the last occurrence of a target element in a sorted array. Problem number 34 on LeetCode. I highly recommend that you watch the video until the end because this problem has been asked multiple times by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Uber and Microsoft in the past 6 months. So if we go through the problem statement, we are given an integer array nums and a target value. And we need to return the first and the last index at which the target occurs in the increasing array. If we look at example 1 where the target is 8, we need to return 3 and 4 because 3 is the first occurrence and 4 is the last occurrence of 8 in the array. Please note that it's a 0 index array since the numbering starts from 0. If an element is not found, we need to return -1, which can be seen in example 2 and 3. In example 2, since the target 6 is absent here, we need to return -1, while in example 3, since the nums array is empty, we need to return -1. As we discussed, we'll try to solve all the binary search problems with a template from 1 to 3. Here we will be using template 1. Please find the link to the template in the description. I'll write the template and modify it according to the requirements. We'll search for the target element in the nums array using template 1. So what happens here is we defined a search range from the 0th index to the last index. If the middle element is equal to the target, then we'll return mid. Else if the middle element is less than the target, then we'll discard all the values to the left and shift our search range to the right because we have already evaluated the middle element and all the elements to the left of the middle element will be smaller than the middle element since the array is sorted and hence they will be smaller than the target. By the same logic, if the middle element is greater than the target, we'll shift our search range to the left and discard all the right elements. So in this template, we terminate our search when we get the target by returning the mid. But that's not what's required. Here we need to keep looking to the left for the first occurrence and to the right for the last occurrence. So rather than returning the mid, we can store the mid position and shift the search ranges. So for the first occurrence, the range would be low to mid -1 and for the last occurrence, the range would be mid +1 to high. I want to stress that we will save the mid before altering the search ranges. Please note that we are returning here -1, which means that we did not find the element in the array. Otherwise, we would have returned the index here. -1 here is a safe index because it's a 0th index array. So let's complete our code. Let's define a vector answer. Size should be 2 and the default value should be -1. Rather than returning, we need to store it in the answer array. The 0th index corresponds to the first occurrence, so we need to shift our range to the left. For the last occurrence, we need to store it at the first index and shift our range to the right. We would also need to return the answer array. It looks good, so let's run our code. Let's run the example cases. Let's submit it. So it works. Time complexity is O log n because we are using the binary search twice, here and here. And the space complexity is O1 because we are not using any extra space other than the answer array that we are returning. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.